welcome to Cafe Di Lono's Kitchen. Tonight we are going to make a blackened salmon, and this is very easy to make. Just prepared all the dry ingredients that I prepared here, and especially our salmon here. I washed it and dried it in paper towels and seasoned with some salt, and then we have powdered onion. We also have powdered garlic, 1 tablespoon of cayenne, about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of thyme. And we are also gonna need lemon flavored extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start it. Here's what we're gonna do. We are going to combine all our dry ingredients in this empty bowl, and then our salmon, I am going to rub it like this flavored lemon extra virgin oil. Okay, so here is what we're gonna do. So I am going to combine all our dry ingredients here, and then I am going to put some lemon flavored extra virgin oil to our salmon. Okay, so like that. If you guys have brush, you guys also can brush them, but I like the way I am doing. Alright, I am going to combine our all dry ingredients here: thyme, oregano, the cayenne, garlic powder, the onion powder, and last our about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, you see, and then combine, mix all of it until it's well combined, and then we are going to apply in our salmon. I'm actually gonna add some salt, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. Okay, I am going to add some black pepper, and then some salt, and then mix it again. Okay. Just rub it like that. Keep rubbing them until it's all spread. It smells very actually nice. I am not going to season this one piece because my daughter does not want this kind of seasoning, so there you go. Very easy. So after I put all our dry ingredients into our salmon, I am going to let them sit for about 15 minutes, and then when we are going to sear them, make sure it's upside down. So the first we are going to sear it is the top side first before the skin. So it's kind of upside down. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I am going to sear them. Alright, so let's just turn on our stove to a high heat, and then I am going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter. There you go, and add a little bit of olive oil. So I am going to add some lemon flavored extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Trying to melt all the butter around the pan. So now that our butter was already melted, so now we are going to start putting our salmon. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to sear our salmon upside down, like that. It smells very good, very good. After 2 minutes, we are going to flip them over and then stir them again for 2 minutes. We don't want them to get overcooked, especially like they have some sugar in it, so they're gonna be like kind of like too dark, crunchy. Alright, so I am going to flip them now. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, I am going to turn down our stove to medium heat now. Smells very yummy though. Like the oregano and thyme mixed it makes it our salmon smells very nice. And then the reason why I also like put some butter in our pan to make it a little bit of buttery taste. So in a minute, we are going to turn off our stove now. We don't want them, as I said, we don't want them to get overcooked. Alright, so I'm going to turn off our stove now. This is over like 2 minutes. So here is my seared blackened salmon. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, bye!